Hi, to set up your Xiaomi Redmi 10, firstly you would need to turn off the phone and then tap this arrow, and after that select the phone's language. Let me just find English, tap it to select, and now let's go to the next tab. Here you'll need to choose your region from the list, and now it is set in region, so we just need to agree with terms and conditions at this point. So tap this I've read and agree, and then go to the next tab. Here at this point we would need to insert SIM card. So SIM slot is located right here on the left side of the phone, and you can open it with the help of this ejector. I'm gonna skip this tab, but you can insert it at this point and then press this button to check again once the SIM card would be inserted. Now let's go to the next tab, and here we can connect to our Wi-Fi. So let me just select my network, quickly enter its password, and now tap the button to connect. Great, now we are connected, and now let's see what we got next. Now select if you wanna copy apps or data from another device, you need to tap the next button, or if you wanna set it as brand new device, select this option to don't copy and move to the next step. Here the phone is checking info, so we just need to wait a couple of seconds till we got the next setting. And now we can sign in Google account, so just enter your email or phone number, and after that you will need to enter your password and you'll be signed in. I'm gonna skip this step. Let's tap the skip button. Here you can also enable and disable those switchers to use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, install updates and tabs. Let's accept everything, and now we can set screen lock. We can select only screen lock, so it would be like a password, PIN code or pattern, or we can add fingerprint and face unlock. Let's select something from this screen lock, for example pattern. Here we got this pop-up warning to remember the password. Just tap this got it button and draw a new pattern. Now draw it again and it would be saved. So now just tap this next button. Here you can review additional apps, just tap OK, agree with everything you see on the screen. And here you got those basic settings. So you can enable or disable automatic system updates from this tab. For example, you can disable personalized ads, and here you can disable location. And after that, go to the next point, which is phone settings. Here we got two options, default and Mi Sans. As you can see, Mi Sans is a little bit bigger than the default version, so let's select it and go next. Now we can select default launcher, which would be classic, or app drawer. App drawer is more comfortable option for me, so I'm gonna choose it. And now it is preparing system, so we are waiting again. And now the setup is complete, so we just need to tap this arrow and check our homepage first. Let's do it. I'm gonna tap the arrow, and now it is loading a bit, so just in a few seconds we'll see this homepage. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.